Welcome, my neighbors. How do you know when it's time to do your head gaskets? Well, let's get into it. Let's do a walk around and show you what's going on and why I decided to pull this engine. So this engine's over 16 years old now. You've been wondering, why would I want to fix it? Well, I know that the compression is good on this engine. In fact, the compression is nearly perfect. All consistent in all cylinders. Spark plug tube seals leaking. Probably this one too. Yep. There's a little bit seeping. This one's not as bad as the other one. The cam bearing leaking. I also saw the coolant crossover tube. If you can see it in here, back there, the coolant crossover tube is also leaking. Just the O-ring though. Rear mains leaking. Over here, same story. Head gasket leaking. You can see the line, the parting line over here. Gets really dirty at this end. It's leaking in the back. Here, cam bearing on this one looks to be a little better. Mind you, I noticed these leaks many years ago. I've driven the car like this for at least 5 or 6 years.
And let's go on to the other side.
It's amazing how long these cars can drive for if you can stand the smell. But the opportune time to do it is when you need to do the timing belt.
Who cares about those? This one, let's see. Oh, this is a tight one. It's probably filled with oil, that's why. Vacuumed it up. And it's dripping. That's why it's so hard to take off. It's wet here. I don't know if you can see it. That's oil. That shiny stuff is oil. This spark plug tube is like full of oil. I knew about this one a few years. Surprisingly, I've driven about 3 or 4 years like this. It never gave me any trouble, really. This one, all wet. Same story. So the valve covers on this side are just totally leaking.
Now when the coolant starts leaking, Subaru coolant doesn't smell like typical coolant. There's no sweet smell to it. It actually smells like a burnt belt.
Car has been leaking. I've been living with the leak for I've been driving like this for 5 years. It's not really a problem on these Subarus because they leak externally. But this thing is now leaking over 2 liters every month. That's a little bit too much. That's too excessive for me. So we're gonna look into fixing it. And it's also losing coolant as well. So here's the head gasket. If you see that right there, that parting line, right there, that's leaking. I cleaned it and the seep is already back. So now I took a look underneath it. I'll show you the valve guides to see if they've migrated. So let's take a look at the valve guides.
So what's in this picture? Well, the valve guides, those 2 little discs that the arrows are pointing at, are still seated well in place, and they look the same all over on every port. The bad part is that you see the white part is caused by oil leaking past the valve stem seal. But at this age of the car, it's not misfiring, it drives fine. We really don't need to worry about that.
Head gasket, coolant leak on the head gasket, back of the head, cam carrier leak, valve cover leak, head gasket leak. Everything's leaking.
Enough said. It's time to do the teardown. Stay tuned, my neighbors. More head gasket videos coming soon.